This is my hair after using the WavyTalk 5-in-1 Air Sculpt. So first we have the round brush, and then we have the blow dryer itself. Then we have the oval brush, and we also have the paddle brush. So it comes with 5 attachments. All you do is lock them in and go ahead and blow dry your hair. So they did also add this little cone to remove the hair that gets stuck inside the brushes. Next we have the diffuser to give your hair some volume. And last but not least, we have the concentrator nozzle. So we have one tool that does many things. Y'all check out the link that I have down below.